Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, October 24th, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, there is no homework as we are still working on our Module 4 quiz. I highly suggest going through and reading through all of your notes on Module 4. We are a little disappointed that fewer than 20 out of 100 and almost 70 students attempted the optional review. That is something you guys need to be doing here moving forward. For the honors math class, they've got independent practice 5.3, which are multiplying decimals. Both math classes should be checking Google Classroom. In science, we've got an assignment online about atoms, which is dealing with Bill Nye. In social studies, we need to study for our maps and timelines test tomorrow. Remember, a lot of what we've done in the Bell work is what is going to be on our test. In language arts, we've got a figurative language form where we introduce SPAM-OI today to you guys. Remember, that stands for simile, personification, alliteration, metaphor, onomatopoeia, hyperbole, and idiom. In literature, we're reading 30 minutes. And remember, this is Red Ribbon Week. Tomorrow, wear your Ontario Spirit wear. That's it for today. Have a great Wednesday.